All right, guys, wanted to do a quick review here for you on this torch lighter that I got off of Amazon. Just show you the quality of this thing and everything you get in the box. So first off, it does come in this really nice like gift box. So if you are going to give it to someone as a gift, it already comes in this nice box, just slides out. It's like a leather box. So that was cool. Inside, you do get the instructions for it, obviously. You get some little adapters to fill up the butane if you wanted to. And then obviously you can see this whole thing. It's in like a leather case. So it doesn't fall out, really good quality, and it doesn't get scratched or anything. So the lighter itself, these things are so good quality. I can't believe they're all metal. It's like really heavy duty as well. It's hard to show, but it's super heavy. Again, everything is metal on it, and it does a couple different things. So on the bottom here, first, this is a punch. If you open it up, if you can punch the cigar, that's also right there to fill up the butane. You can do it closed or open, but you fill up the butane. And on the inside, if you turn that little dial, that raises or lowers the flame, depending on when you want there. So it also has a cutter right in the center, so you can see it's like a V cutter right there. You just slice it like that. And lastly, it does have a draw enhancer stick as well. You can see it's a double one right there. It just fits right into the side. It's actually magneted in. I don't know if you can see that, but it pulls right in, so it's not gonna fall out. The lighter portion itself, so you just open up the lid on that side, all metal. You just pull this lever, and it lights right away. It actually has four. There you go, you can see it. It's got 4 torches, and you can raise and lower that, but it's such a steady flame, doesn't go out when you move it around. The fan's actually going, it's not blowing out. And heat-wise, I can feel that thing still up this high. So it is super, super hot, really solid, consistent flame. Close it, shut the lid, and it shuts off. So the side right there is where you fill up the butane. You can see how much butane you have, but these things are amazing quality. You can't beat them for the price, really heavy duty, and they just look awesome too. So can't really beat them. Hope yourselves anyone looking at these.